Yeah, man, you want some variety in your. So this is a new one for me. Picked myself a Bosch GOF 130, 1300 watts. I have no idea what this stuff means, but 1300 watts. It says 8 mm. I think that's the bed size length. Max depth of 55 millimeters. It spins at 11,000 to 28,000 RPM. So inside the box we get the router, is it router or router? Because it's spelled the very same way. I honestly have no idea. Either a router or router. I'm gonna say router. If anyone has a problem, it's got a parallel guide, it's got a collet, it's got a template guide, a dust extraction adapter, and one wrench, which is essentially a thingy. Yeah, and this is essentially, so you can only make so much square woodworking projects. Sometimes you want nice edges, round over, chamfers, the sexy stuff. Yeah, man, you want some variety in your stuff. So I got a GOF 130, which is a router, and it will help with that. It'll give me shapes like this and like that and like that, so all this range you get to pretty much experience with your projects and woodworking when you have something like this. So for the unboxing, straight into it. Break the seal. I hope and not. Wow, I'm literally using the back. And straight off the back, another very simple box. Let's see. I hope nothing falls. This is very sketchy. So this is the dust extraction adapter. So this is essentially that part where this is where the cutting stuff goes in, and the dust kicks out from there, and then you can put a shop vac or vacuum cleaner or whatever you use to clean from there. But this is just so that it just doesn't stay on the board. Very sketchy. Okay, let me be safe. No adventurous. Got the manual. Okay, jokes aside. So we've got the manual for the router itself. It says GOF 130 professional. Then we've got this box here. Got the guide and all the other stuff that they mentioned on the side. I'll just go through it. So this is the wrench. The adapter, I assume, and this thing. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. I will really have to read the manual. Just lay everything out like that. Then I think the only thing that's left is the router itself. And we got these two rods. Break them, no problem, just break everything. So we've got these two rods that help with alignment when using the side stop on the side. And basically what you do with this is that you will pick out whatever pattern you want, and it's really simple. Like I said, I have no idea how to use this, but I will learn. It's the 1/4 inch adapter, and I think that's for the bigger size or the smaller size. This is anytime now. This is 8mm adapter, so it uses both those. So with your router, you've got your depth adjustment and your depth stop, depending on how deep you want to go. I honestly have no skill regarding any router usage. This is probably the first one I've seen owned by a person. But yeah, so I'll do the basic plug it in. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to plug it in without the bit, but so what it sounds like. Slow speed. And that's it for your Bosch GOF 130 Professional. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of projects with this, so be on the lookout for that.